Welcome to Programmer Bytes. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about logical operators with example programs. Bitwise and Boolean logical operators. The symbol ampersand is used to perform bitwise and operation. The symbol pipeline is used to perform bitwise or operation. Two consecutive ampersand symbols is used to perform logical and operation. Two consecutive pipeline symbols is used to perform logical or operation. We'll explain in detail in programs. Logical operators. In this program, we have two string variables, color and shape. The value red is assigned to string color and the value rectangle is assigned to string shape. Logical AND operator expects all the conditions to be true to execute the statement inside this if block. Simply, logical AND means all must be true. This operator will not check the second condition if the previous condition is false. That is, if the first condition is false, it won't check the second condition and it won't execute the statement inside this if block. Let's see the first if block. Here we are checking two conditions, color equals red and shape equals square. The first condition evaluates to true because the color is red, and the second condition evaluates to false because the shape is rectangle. Since one of these conditions evaluates to false, the statement inside this if block will not be executed. Let's see the second if block. Here we are checking two conditions, color equals red and shape equals rectangle. The first condition evaluates to true because the color is red, and the second condition also evaluates to true because shape is rectangle. Since both these conditions evaluates to true, the statement inside this if block will be executed. Logical OR operator. This operator expects any one of these conditions has to be true to execute the statement inside this if block. Simply, logical OR means any one should be true. This operator will not check the next condition if the previous condition is true. That is, if the first condition is true, it won't check the second condition and the statement inside this if block will be executed since the first condition itself is true. Let's see the third if block. Here we have two conditions, color equals red or shape equals square. The first condition evaluates to true because the color is red, and the second condition evaluates to false because the shape is rectangle. It will not check the second condition because the first condition itself is true. The statement inside this if block will be executed because one of these conditions is true. Let's run the program. See, the first if block statement is not executed because one of these condition is false. The second if block statement is executed because both these conditions are true. The third if block statement is executed because one of these conditions is true. Bitwise operators. This program is very similar to the logical operator program. The difference here is we used bitwise AND operator and bitwise OR operator. Bitwise AND operator checks all the condition even though if the previous condition evaluates to false. Bitwise OR operator checks all the condition even though if the previous condition evaluates to true. Simply, both bitwise and bitwise OR checks all the conditions unlike logical and logical OR. This program works similar to our previous program. Let's run the program. See, the output is similar to logical operator program. We will discuss about string in separate tutorial because string is not a primitive data type. It is a class. String class has many methods. One of the method is equals. We will discuss it in detail with examples in separate tutorial. Thank you.